Kathy here, and today we're doing an update to my terrarium video. If you recall, a month ago I did a video on how I was putting this terrarium together. And so we're just going to kind of look at it and see how things are doing. I have to say I have not watered this since I put the terrarium together and gave it its initial watering. So I'm impressed with that. As the sun travels around my living room, it does hit this at certain times of the day, and condensation forms. You have to excuse me on the loud breath. I just ran the dogs outside. Anyway, as the condensation forms, you can't really see much in here, but right now you can, so I thought this is a perfect time to do this video. So what happens here is it forms its own ecosystem, where the plant takes in carbon dioxide, I believe. Anyway, it expels oxygen. The water condenses on the glass. It drips down into the soil and waters the plants, and it just recirculates itself. So anyway, it's doing really well. I had planted this spider plant, this little jade, the peperomia, as well as this red log peperomia. And then I stuck in, which I didn't show you on the video, I stuck in some little Calissia repens, and I also have, I don't know if I can see right here, I have some of these, oh heaven's sakes, I'm trying to think of the name of these now. It'll come to me. It's a little vine I have on the wall. Anyway, I stuck some of those in here and there, and they're all doing really well. You can see my spider plant is like wanting to escape, kind of. But it's doing great. And like I said, I haven't watered it at all. So it's just naturally watering itself. It's doing wonderful. This little pothos here is, I think, getting ready to get another leaf. This leaf opened up, and I think it's going to get another leaf soon. But it's doing really well. So I actually made, let me scooch this. Hopefully you can see this one. I made this smaller one out of a container I bought at Michael's, and you can see the condensation on the lid. But all I put in here was I put some Calissia repens in there. Oops. I put some little butterflies for decoration, and then I have this little glass crystal ball that I put in the center that's got condensation all over it. And then I've got like one string of turtles in there. But it's also 1 month old, actually tomorrow. Never watered except for the initial watering. And like I said, you can see the condensation that forms. Anyway, they're doing really well. So I highly suggest trying a terrarium if you haven't. Going to be really cool, I think, if I ever go on a vacation. It's self-watering, can take care of itself, you know. Impressed. I may get a taller version of this one. I'm debating. And maybe some more Calissia. I think they do really well. I have given this one, like I said, it's a month old. I've given it 2 haircuts already. They grow so well in this enclosed terrarium. I just love it. And the color on them is just, it's so cute with the light green and pink. Love it, love it. So anyway, I have to go let my dogs in now because they're barking outside. But I just wanted to show you how this is doing. Everything's doing really well. I have had a couple leaves on the peperomia that have kind of died off at the bottom there. And I'm leaving them in because somebody else commented that any leaves or whatever that die off in here become fertilizer for the terrarium. So I'm just going to let them decompose in there. As long as I don't grow a ton of mushrooms or something in there, I think we'll do okay. But anyway, just a quick little update video on the terrarium. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them below. But I love it, and I'm impressed, and so far doing really well. So thanks again for watching my little updates, and we'll have another update soon, maybe on some Hoya that I got last year. Anyway, we'll see what happens in the next week or two. But for now, that's it, and we'll catch you on the next video. Hope you're all doing well, and thanks again for watching. Bye for now.